So we've been getting a couple of questions lately. One of them is, what do I do once my baby is too big for the snappi? So this is when your baby is usually around 15 pounds. You go to do up the diaper and it barely reaches from side all the way over to the other side, as I have it upside down. So ignore the way I'm demoing this. So you're reaching it, it's at the edge of this prefold, you're trying to grab the other side and the claws are barely reaching. So what we recommend at this point is that you just take the diaper, fold it into three, 1, 2, 3, so it looks like a long strip, and all you're going to do is put that right into the diaper. Now, if your diaper cover has a flap at the front, then you can tuck the diaper in the front and just lie it inside. You can actually have one of these on your change table already ready to go. Put the baby on top, and then all you're going to do is do it up. Nice and easy. Usually at this point in time too, babies are having a little bit more of a smear poop. They're not having that watery runny poop as much. So it's okay to switch to just folding it into 3 and lying it inside the diaper. So the other question we have been getting is how to use the booster. And with the booster looks like this. It is a mixture of hemp and bamboo. So when that's the case, you'll notice that it's very heavy and thick, and we actually dry these by our wood stove because they take such a long time to dry. So with the booster, we lie it inside the prefold. So all you're doing is lying it in the middle, folding over top, and then turning it upside down. So it looks just like this. And the reason for that being is that hemp and bamboo are both very slow absorbing materials. So if you put the hemp booster just inside the cover, you'll notice that the baby pees in such a force that it may not absorb as quick. So all it's going to do is look like that. You're going to lie the baby on top. The baby's going to pee through the cotton of the prefold, and then it's going to sit down into the hemp. And now baby has a little bit of a bigger bum just because it has a hemp booster inside of it as well. And the third question we've been getting is how to fold the bigger prefolds. The bigger prefolds are usually the ones with the blue edging. They're quite a bit larger, and what we recommend doing is just folding the front of the large prefold, folding both sides in, and then you're just going to lie this just inside the diaper cover. So similar to the trifold, I like to fold down the front just because it gives it a little bit more space in the diaper cover, and then you're just going to put the baby on top of here. Ignore the baby's nudeness, and then you put it up over top. So usually most babies switch to the largest size of prefold around the age of 1 to 1.5. They're usually about 20 to 22, 24 pounds. Up to then, a lot of people tend to use the infant size, and the reason why is because they find that it fits better when they trifold it into the cover. It's perfectly fine to stay with a smaller size if that's what's working for you. Hope this